Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome back, and I love you so much for always supporting me. And yes, in today's video I'm having a very amazing video. First, I'll show you how to shave. Second, I'll be showing you how to prevent ingrowths. Third, I'll show you how to lighten your dark arms. And I'll show you how to scrub your arms to remove dead skin. Yes. So, stay tuned. Therefore, we are going to start with shaving. Yes, we are going to start with shaving. So how do you shave? You hold your Gillet from this side, then you shave across. After that, because they are not that clean, we are going to change your Gillet like this, the other cross, so that they can be clean. So you shave going across. And we are done with this. As you can see, we are done. We are going to shave the other one so you can understand what I mean. So I'm going to hold my Gillet like this and start from this side. Yes. So after that, you're still shaving the same way, across. Shave across. After that, I'm going to change my Gillet to the other side and come the same way you shave across. You see? Never shave, never if you don't want to have ingrowth. Stop shaving like this, stop. So do like this, shave across. So I'm going to clean the excess very fast, not the excess but the ones that have been left. After that, we are going to go to the next step: how to prevent ingrowth, how to remove dark armpits, and also how to detox and how to prevent ingrowths. Stay tuned. After that, guys, I'm going to use a homemade scrub to scrub, to detox at the same time, remove dark armpits at the same time, and prevent ingrowths. So in my previous video, in my previous video I had a video how to make a homemade scrub where I used sugar, lemon, and turmeric. No, I used sugar, lemon, turmeric, and coconut oil. So I'll be going to use the same scrub. This is the scrub. This is how it looks. To scrub sugar, it will help me scrub, smoothen the skin and remove the dead skin. Lemon, it will help me lighten the dark arms and the underarms, and also detox. What do I mean detox? It will remove the excess oils, the excess, the roll-on, the whatever. Yes. Coconut help, it will help me the skin to be smooth and be good looking. The turmeric, it will help lighten the arms. So let's go. Without wasting much time, let's scrub. So I'll be picking some like this and then scrub. Kindly be gentle to your skin. My son is around, so he'll bear with me. It is motherhood. What do we do? So after scrubbing like that, I'll be using a lemon dipped in the scrub. Like this. And then scrub with it. Like this. Round. As you can see, there is a dark part. So you leave it for 30 minutes. Then we go to the next one. The same way we have scrubbed the first one, the same way we're going to scrub the second one. So we go on. The scrub. So the same way we have used lemon on the other side, we are going to use the same lemon on this side. Lemon dipped into the scrub. That's why it's yellow, because of turmeric. And detox our armpits and lighten them. Guys, I'm going to leave this one for 30 minutes, then we wash off and look if it works. And do this in one, the first day, the second day, he'll be good to go. So guys, are you ready to see the end result? Just amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, that's how it looks. It's a bit pinky, like pink because of scrubbing, you know. Sabash. Going to use this Vaseline and apply. Then 10. After that, guys, I'm going to apply Vaseline while massaging my underarm. You massage it like this. So I'm going to massage in circular motions like this. This also helps in preventing those things that normally, as in it prevents inflammation. So after that, I'm going to do the same to the other one. Vaseline. Massage. So guys, it is important to massage your underarms. This prevents inflammation and also helps the moisturizer to moisturize your skin and to get into the skin. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like it, give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Share. Comment down below. And also, please stay safe until we meet the next time. Ciao.